In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Authenticator on two devices. Yes, you can run it on two phones, but it isn't automatic. You need to add the account to both. I'll walk you through three reliable methods and a few important details so everything works smoothly. The best way is to set up both devices at the same time. On a computer or tablet, go to mysignins.microsoft.com/securityinfo. Sign into your Microsoft account, then choose Add Method and select Authenticator app. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Keep that page open. Now, on your first phone, open Microsoft Authenticator, tap the plus sign to add an account, choose to scan a QR code, and scan the code you left open. Do not close that QR code yet. Pick up your second phone, open Microsoft Authenticator, tap the plus sign, choose Scan QR Code, and scan the same code before leaving the page. That's it. Both phones are now registered for the same account. You can approve notifications or generate codes from either device. If you already set up one phone and want to add a second later, go back to mysignins.microsoft.com security info. Choose Add Method, select Authenticator app again, and a new QR code will appear. Use your second phone to scan that new code in the Authenticator app. This links the second device without touching the first one, and both will continue to work. If you're switching phones and want to bring everything over, use the cloud backup option. On your old phone, open Microsoft Authenticator and turn on Cloud Backup. Then install Microsoft Authenticator on your new phone, sign in within the app, and choose Restore Backup. Your accounts and settings come down in one go. Keep in mind that some accounts will still prompt you to sign in or reapprove the first time you use them after the restore. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. A few important notes as you wrap up. You can use Microsoft Authenticator on multiple devices for the same account, which is great for redundancy. Adding a new device does not remove the old one. If you no longer want an older phone to work, remove it manually from your security methods. Finally, some work or school accounts may limit the number of devices or block multiple authenticators altogether. If you run into that, your organization's IT settings are in control. Follow one of these methods based on your situation, and you'll have a dependable two-device setup for Microsoft Authenticator.